Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the features and functionality of the National Instruments WSN-3202, which is a wireless analog input node featuring 4 analog input channels and 4 digital I/O channels designed to integrate seamlessly into a wireless sensor network. Supporting data transmission over wireless IEEE 802.15 links, it can communicate up to 300 meters when paired with the WSN-9701 Ethernet gateway. Powered by either 4 1.5-volt AA batteries or a 9 to 30-volt external power supply, the WSN-3202 is well suited for deployment in environments without direct power access. When configured for sampling intervals of 60 seconds, the device can operate on battery power for up to 3 years. Here are some benefits for buying from us. If you're interested in purchasing this part or another, you can request a quote by visiting our website at apexwaves.com or emailing us at sales@apexwaves.com. To begin, we'll set up the WSN-3202 wireless sensor node in conjunction with the WSN-9791 gateway using LabVIEW 2015 or earlier versions. Please note that this process is not supported in newer versions of LabVIEW. Reset both the WSN-3202 and WSN-9791 by holding their reset buttons for approximately 10 seconds. Adjust the IP address settings of your network to the 169.254 subnet, ensuring both the node and gateway are on the same subnet for communication. Open NIMAX and navigate to Remote Systems. The WSN-9791 gateway should appear in the list. Under the WSN node section in NIMAX, click Add Node from the top menu bar. Enter the serial number of the WSN-3202 found on the back of the device to establish a connection. Once the node is connected, proceed to open LabVIEW 2015. Open LabVIEW 2015 and create a new blank project. Go to the Help tab, find Examples, and select the Analog Input.vi template designed for WSN applications. Add the WSN devices to your project by right-clicking the project name and selecting Add Targets and Devices. Locate the WSN Gateway folder or find the gateway by its IP address if it doesn't appear automatically. Once the WSN-9791 is added, right-click it and select Add New Targets and Devices to include the WSN-3202 node. Connect a 4-volt power supply to the AI0 channel on the WSN-3202. Double-click the Analog Input project in LabVIEW to open the front panel. Navigate to the Window tab and select Show Block Diagram to verify that the power input is mapped to your device. Run the VI to deploy the project, and the graph will update to display the voltage readings, 4 volts in this example. The WSN-3202 can also be configured using a crio 9074 compact RIO system. Open NIMAX, go to Software, and install all relevant crio and LabVIEW 2015 software. Locate the crio 9074 and WSN under its hierarchy. Add the node to the gateway by clicking Add Node and entering the node's serial number. Open LabVIEW 2015 and create a new blank project. Right-click the project name and select Add Targets and Devices. Find the crio system under the Real-Time Compact Rio folder and add it to the project. In the Help tab, search for WSN and select the Analog Input project. Open the analog input.vi, navigate to the Window tab, and select Show Block Diagram. Verify that the variable is set to AI0 in the block diagram, then click Run to deploy. The graph will update to display the voltage being measured, 4 volts in this example. This concludes our tech tutorial on the WSN-3202. If you have any additional questions, please visit our website at apexwaves.com, where our dedicated team is ready to provide the support you need. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product highlights, how-tos, and industry insights.